Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in mathematical induction. Mathematical induction already we have finished one class, 5 questions we have done. In this class also we will see 5 more questions from question number 6 to 10. Okay, see what is there one. Eamcet 2014 question this is. Sixth question. Sigma k 1 to 2n plus 1 minus 1 whole to the power of k minus 1 into k square is equal to how much, like they are asking. Okay. Let us take some values. Okay. Let us take some values. Then we will proceed. So because one by one we will take. Okay. See, k 1 to 2n plus 1 means, see, to understand good understanding, starting we will take 4 values. Last we will take 2 values. So 2n and 2n plus 1. Okay. That is enough. Let us take when k is equal to 1. At k is equal to 1. You see, minus 1 whole power 1 minus 1. Why? Because k is 1 means 1 we have to write 1 minus 1. That means 0 and 1 square. Why? Because you see, k is from 1 to 2n plus 1 only, not 0 or less than 0. Okay, that is why. Minus 1 whole power. In k place you have to put 1, that's all. K square. What is this value? See, 1 minus 1 is 0. Something power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 square 1. That means this value is 1. First value. Go for second one. K is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. Minus 1 whole power 2 minus 1 into 2 square. That means, see, minus 1 power 1. That means minus 2 square. Shall I write this as 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 square? Okay. This is plus 1 square. Like that you take. Go for k at k is equal to 3. When k is equal to 3, minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1, 2. Directly I have written. Why? Because when 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 square into k is 3 means 3 square. Minus 1 square means plus 1 plus 3 square. Okay. One more value we will take. One more value. Afterwards we will take last values, 2 values. Okay. At k is equal to 4. Minus 1 whole power cube. Why? Because 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 square. Minus 1 cube means minus of 4 square. Okay. Now observe logically. Plus 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square. Like that it is coming. Like that it is coming. But we know all plus square formula. Then how to do on that we will analyze afterwards. Okay. Now 2n you take. Afterwards 2n plus 1 also you take. You take 2n. When k is equal to 2n. Say at k is equal to 2n. See, whatever you give in n, but after multiplication of 2 it is going to become odd. Sorry, not even. Okay, even. See, even number it is becoming means what it is going to become, you observe carefully. Minus 1 whole power 2n minus 1 2n whole square. Okay, that means 4n square. Let it be 2n whole square also we will write. What will happen here? 2n is positive, but after 2n minus 1 it is negative. Minus power negative is minus, that means minus 2n square. Minus of 2n whole square, or else 4n square also you can write. 4n square. 2n whole square or 4n square, that is okay. Now go for last one. 2n plus 1 also. But the last is 2n plus 1. At k is equal to 2n plus 1 minus 1 whole power 2n plus 1 minus 1. 2n plus 1 whole square. See, 2n plus 1 minus 1 means plus 1 minus 1 going to get cancelled. 2n will be there. 2n is a positive number. Even if you do, even number. Even if you do odd number or even number, 2 is going to make it as a even number. That means even power means plus. Plus will come 2n plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now Put R in one series. Why? Because plus we have to do. Sigma is there. Sigma means plus we have to do. You see what I am writing? That is equal to sigma I am writing. Okay, sigma. Write down. Plus 1 square minus 2 square. Plus 3 square minus 4 square. Plus 5 square minus 6 square. Like that it will be. Okay. Then again plus will come dot 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 dot. Minus 2n square minus 2n whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square. Okay. This is the series. See, we know one formula. I am writing on once again that formula. You see, why? Because if 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus dash 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 up to n minus 1 whole square plus n square is there. This formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. This formula in last class also we have studied. Okay. Now, but the series is not like this. Okay. Now I want to separate plus and minus series. Okay. You see what I am doing. This series what I am making. This series how I am writing. You see. Plus means 1 square, plus means 3 square, plus means 5 square, plus means 7 square, like that is there. But up to plus what? 2n plus 1 whole square. Okay. Afterwards, minus is there. Shall I write minus like this? Minus, I am taking common, then 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square plus dash 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 dash. Plus 1 I will keep. Why? Because outside minus is there. 2n whole square. Is it okay? Logically observe here. Here 2n plus 1 is there, but here 2n is there, not n. Here n is there, but here 2n is there. That you have to understand carefully. Okay. Now I want to convert this. You see how I am converting. Why? Because see both are same. But I have separated it. But rather separating, shall I write like this and shall I minus all this again? Well, because I want to write this formula means this series should be there here. For this minus 2 we will make. 2 is there that side. Okay, that is whether it is correct or not. Like okay, then we will analyze. You see what I am writing? Entire series again I am writing here. You see. That is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus dash 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 up to n square I am writing plus n square. I have written. Okay. This I am putting one bracket. See this series I have written, but here inside 2 square is not there. Then I am removing. You see what I am doing here? I am removing. Why? Because here 2n square is there. See. Minus I am giving. Why? Because from here 2 square I have to remove. Now here 2 square, here 2 square are there. That is why 2 I am taking common. 2 I am taking common. Understand carefully. Again I am writing like this. 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square. Okay. Plus 8 square plus that up to 2n whole square. Okay. Now wait. Okay. You see, here it may be okay, but here what I am doing, 2n plus 1 only I am taking. 2n plus 1. I am taking 2n plus 1 only. Why? Because I want to change the formula also. See, this formula I want to write according to 2n plus 1. You see. 2n plus 1 whole square. If n square means that will be different. Finally, I have to take 2n plus 1 whole square. Why? Because the total series I want to take. See, total series I have taken. Even negative also I have made positive. That is why I have removed here. Okay, like that you think. Okay, now come back again. You see. This series, how we are going to write? This series, you see, you observe carefully here what I am doing, what I am writing in rough work. See, up to last term n is there, that means n square. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is there. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is there. Okay, see, observe carefully. First n, okay, then you add 1, that means n plus 1. Afterwards you add n for this, then 2n plus 1. Okay, see, observe carefully here. First n, then add 1, n plus 1, multiply. Again you add n for n plus 1, 2n plus 1, like that it has come. See, for here, first 2n plus 1, right? 2n plus 1. Add 1. Earlier also we have added 1. 2n plus 2. Add n. Add 2n plus 1. Why? Because here earlier n was there, that is why you added n. But here 2n plus 1 was there, then you add 2n plus 1. That means you see 2n plus 2 plus 2n plus 1. That means finally what it is going to become? It is going to become 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 2 into 4n plus 3. You understand? Yes, that is the logic behind this question. Okay. Now proceed further. Then you write this formula is going to become like this. You see 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 2 into 4n plus 3 divided by 6. See, denominator is same, but numerator like this it will change. Okay. Then you see here also what I am doing to, I am taking 2 square common. Why? Because see, 2 square is there, 2 square is there, 2 square into 1 square, 2 square into 2 square, 2 square into 3 square. Like that I can split it. Okay, I am taking 2 square also common. Okay, 2 into 2 square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus dash. Here also last n square will be there. Is it okay or not? You tell me. Why? Because you understand carefully this. Okay. Okay. Now observe carefully. If 2 square I have taken, 2 square efficient, again it is going to become 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, like. Okay. Now 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, is it like this formula? Okay. Okay. This will come like this. You see what will happen. This formula how I am making, you see. This will be 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 2 into 4n plus 3 into divided by 6. But this you see 2 square into 2, 8 minus 8. This formula again you write. This formula is this one, standard formula. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay. Now you see what are all common. See 6 is LCM, like you can take. What are all common are there we are going to do. See, I want to remove up to this red color. Pass and note down. Okay. Let us solve this. So here minus is there, don't forget. 6 if you take LCM, what will happen, you see. Six I have taken LCM, okay. And here also you see 2n plus 2 is there. 2 I have taken common, like you think. 2 I have taken common. Then this will be 2n plus 1, okay. Or n plus 1 I will write first. Why? Because see 2n plus 1, 2 I have taken common, n plus 1. Then 2n plus 1 again. Okay. Then 4n plus 3. Okay. See 6 I have taken common means minus 8n. Minus 8n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay. Now see, is there any common you can take? Yes. N plus 1, 2n plus 1. N plus 1, 2n plus 1. N is not there, but 2 also you can take common. Why? Because 8 is there. So let us take common. You see, I am taking this like this. You see, 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 I have taken common by 6 also. Okay, let it be 6. That side, this side, both are same. Okay, now you see 2 is there, n plus 1 is there, 2n plus 1 is there. 2 is there means inside is there. 4, now it is going to become 4. 4 is there, n plus 1 is there, 2n plus 1 is there. Is there? Yes. Okay. Now here, if it goes, denominator you don't bother. 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 goes means only 4n plus 3 will be there. Write down 4n plus 3. Okay. Minus, put minus. See, already 2 has gone. Only 4n will be there. 4n. Okay, write down 4n. n plus 1 to n plus 1 already gone outside. That means nothing will be there. That's all. But you see, plus 4n minus 4n going to get cancelled out each other. Okay. Now what will happen here? It is going to happen like this. You see. 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 into 3. 3 2 times, 2 1 times. That means final answer will be n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. This is your answer. Okay. This is your answer. N plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Take this. We will go for 7th question. Okay. See 7th question. This question is asked in Eamcet 2017. For all n belongs to n, capital number, natural number, 1 plus 1 by root 2. So 1 means here 1 by 1 root 1 like we think. 1 by root 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 4 up to 1 by root n. That means n value whatever you give. If you give 1 means 1 by 1. That's all. 1 by root 1. If you give 2 as n, 1 plus 1 by root 2. If you give 3 means 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 3. Like that you have to take. Okay. Let us take. And for all values it has to satisfy. That means minimum values even if you take also satisfy means can we take 2 or 3 and we will verify rather than going with this theory and all. Okay. Final answer. See, this series is equal to or less than root n or equal to or greater than root n or less than root n or greater than n, like that they are asking. What we do? Shall we take n as 2 and check? Just we will take n as 2 and check. That's all. Okay. See what I am doing. Let n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 I have taken. That means series is going to become 1 plus 1 by root 2 or 1 by root 1 plus 1 by root 2. That's all. Up to root n you have to go. But root n means here root 2. That's all. Okay. You see what will happen here? Root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Okay. Inside is root 2 into 1. That is why I have not written again root 1. Root 2 into root 1 is root 2 only. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. But root 2 into root 1 is only 1. Even if you write 1 also same will come. That is why you think for calculation purpose you take it as 1. Why? Because root 2 into 1 is root 2. That's all. Okay. Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 has come. Okay. We know why I have taken 2 means root 2 value we know very well. 1.414. 1.414 plus 1 by 1.414. See, 2.414 by 1.414. Calculate this and you what answer you are going to get, you observe carefully. Okay. Why? Because see, both are equal, then I can write 2414 by 1414. Okay. 2 12s, 0 2 7s. 2 7s, 0 2 7s. Okay. 1200. 2440. Yes, correct. Okay. Now you do it. 707 into 1207. Once only will go, 1400 will not come. Then 707 will come, 005, 500 will come. Point you keep. 5000 it is going to become 7 8s are 56. 7 7s are 49. You take 7s, 1.7, 7 7s are 49. 7 zeros are 04. 7 7s are again 49. Okay. Say 1 5. That's all. 9 is there. Okay. I think 10. Yes, 10, 5000 over 51. Okay, 1.7 has come. Okay, now you see this 1.7 final value is this one is 1.7. 1.7. See, if we go n is equal to 2, the final series has come 1.7. Now you tell me, is this series greater than 7? No, 1.7 is less than n. That is why this option you cross mark. Go here. Is this root n less than root n? See, root n is 1.414. But this is not less than this, greater than this. That is why this option also you close. Both are same, equal to or less than, like they have given. That is why this also you close. Root n is less, or else the series value is greater than root n. Yes, 1.7 is greater than this root n. Why? Because root n means root 2. 1.7 is greater than root 2. Why? Because 1.7 is greater than 1.414. This option you keep. Okay. See, some silly questions you do, like some simple calculations and put the answer. Okay. Everything, don't go for formula or whatever it may be, theory. Simply close this question. Let us go for 8th question. Okay. See, question number 8. If an is equal to square root of 7 plus square root of 7 plus square root of 7 under root of n times they have given, then which one is true for all n is greater than or equal to 1, like they have made it. Okay. Okay. That means n is greater than or equal to 1 means we will take only positive value. Let us see what will happen in that. Okay. See what I am doing here. Rather than an, I am taking it as some constant k. See what I am writing. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus up to n times. Okay. I will take like this. This I have taken as k. First step. Then you square both sides, squaring on both sides. Then what will happen here? This side it is going to become k square. This side one root is going to adjust. Then 7 will be there. 7 plus. Again this is up to n times means infinity times, or n times means again can we take this as k? Definitely we can take it as k. Okay. See, n times are there or infinity times are there. We have taken out, that's all. Again this is also going to become okay, this is also going to become k only. Okay, now you see what I am doing. K square minus k minus 7. You bring this side. K square minus k minus 7 equal to 0. Okay. Then see, direct factors we are not going to get. Minus b plus or minus you have to take, but we will avoid minus. Okay. See, minus b means minus of minus 1 plus 1. Plus or minus is there, I will take plus only. Square root of b square, 1 square minus 4 into a is also 1 into c is minus 7. Minus 7 means this you make like this. By 2a, 2 into 1, that is equal to 1 plus 28 plus 1, 29, root 29 by 2. Okay. Now this is the value. This value is an. This an is greater than 7, greater than 3 or less than 4 or whatever it may be. We have to see. What will happen and all we will see. Okay. Okay, let us see. Root 29, how you are going to find? Why? Because if you know root 29, automatically you are going to get the value. Okay, root 29. You see, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. 5.23 or 5.4, shall I take 5.4? Why? Because see, 5.4 into 5.4. 4 4s are 16, 4 50s are 21. 4 5s are 20 plus 121. 5 4s are 20 again, 5 5s are 25, 27. 6 1 9 2, 29.16 will come approximately. I am going to take as 5.4 root 29. That means 1 plus 5.4 by 2. That is equal to 6.4 by 2. That is equal to 3.2. That means see, your an is equal to 3.2. Final answer. Now stop and analyze. Is an is greater than 7? No. Then you close this option. Is n is greater than 3? Okay, but you see another value also. n is less than 4? Yes. n is less than 3? No. Okay? Why? Because see, here you observe carefully. n is greater than 1 they have given. We have taken like that. That means up to where it is going, limiting. That means 4 is limiting. It is not going to cross the 4. That is why better you take this option. Okay? Greater than 3 means it may go up to infinity also. We take this answer. Okay? Let us go for ninth. Okay, see ninth question. This question is asked in Eamcet 2019. If 2 into 4, don't take it as 2.4. Why? Because see, logic I am telling you, 2.4 if they want to give any power, then they will give like this in bracket. If anything is there like this thing, then this is 2 into 4, not 2.4. Okay? 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 plus 3 power 3k plus 1 is equal to 11t. That is one equation. Second equation also you see. 2 into 4 power 2k plus 3, here 2k plus 1 was there, here 2k plus 3, plus 3 power 3k plus 4, here 3k plus 1 was there. Okay? Here 2 increased, here 3 increased. That is equal to 11 into pt plus 3 power q. P into t plus 3 power q. If that is the case, they are asking us to find p, q values here. P here, q here. Okay? Those values they are asking us to find. How to find and all you see. Okay? Exponential theories or theorems if you know very well, then we are able to do this quickly. Or else it will be a little bit difficult. Okay? You see what I am writing now. See, once again I am writing, you see. Step by step you follow. 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 plus 3 power 3k plus 1 is equal to 11t. Okay? Now what I am doing, you see, in final answer 11 something plus 3 power q it has to come. Okay? That means 11 plus 3. 11 is there, plus 3 I want to make. Plus 3. Understand? Then what I am doing, you see. 11t minus 3 power 3k plus 1 is equal to 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1. Is it okay? Okay. Now you take this as equation or whatever it may be. But because in second equation you have to substitute this. You understand now? Okay. Now second equation I am taking only LHS. Second equation I am taking only LHS. You see how I am writing this? I am changing this. You see LHS. You see 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 into 4 power 2. Shall I write like this? Why? Because see, this is okay, but these bases are same powers you can add. 2k plus 1 plus 2, 2k plus 3. 2k plus 3 is there. Why I have written? Why? Because see, 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 value you are having. 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 value. This value you can substitute here afterwards. That is why I have written. Plus. Write down 3 power 3k plus 4. Okay? 3 power 3k plus 4. See, 3 power 3k plus 4, I don't think... Wait a minute. Need not do anything, okay? Present, let it be. See, we have taken only LHS, so RHS we will equate afterwards. See, this we have taken LHS, that's all. Okay, now you see, equal to, this we are having here, you see in front of you, 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 is this one. You write down again this. 11t minus 3 power 3k plus 1. Is it okay? Into 16. 4 square is 16. Okay? See, 2 into 4 power 2k plus 1 is this one. 11t minus 3k. But you see up to here only, but 16 is there. Plus this one again. Plus 3 power 3k plus 1 into 3 cube. Is it okay? Yes. Why? Because see, 3 power 3, 3 power 3k plus 1. If you add bases are same, 3 plus 3k plus 4 will come. 3k plus 4 is there. This also you convert into 27. Write down. This also you convert into 27. Okay. Now, let me send 16 inside. 16 if I send inside, 16 ones are 16. 16 ones are 16 1 plus 17. 176 P minus 16 into 3 power 3k plus 1 plus 27 into 3 power 3k plus 1. Is it okay? Well, because this is 3 cube means 27. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Okay. Now, again, once again, you see 3 power 3k plus 1, 3 power 3k plus 1, you can take common amount between these two. This 176 like this only, it will be 176t like this only. Minus I will take common, minus 3 power 3k plus 1 I am taking common. If I take common, this will be 16. Why? Because inside minus will be there. Why? Because minus we have taken means inside plus will be there. If it goes inside automatically minus 16 power will be. But this plus is there. To make plus outside already minus is there, you take minus 27. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because if it goes inside 16 into minus 3 power, 16 minus 3 power, plus 27 into 3 power 3 plus 1, plus 27 into 3. Okay. Now, what is the value of 16 minus 27? Minus 11. Minus of minus 11 plus 11. You come back again. Write down 176 plus 176t plus 11 into 3 power 3k plus 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because see, this is going to give minus 11. Minus of minus 11. Multiplication. Minus of minus 11 is plus 11. Plus 11, 3 power 3k plus 1 is there. Okay. Now, see, shall I take again 11 common? Definitely we can take. Why? Because 176 has come by multiplication of 16 to 11 only. That is again you can take common of 11. 11 if I take here, 16t will be there. Write down. That is equal to 11 if I take common. 11 if I take common, this will be 16 I think. Yes, 16t. Okay, but you require, okay, let it be. P will be 16. Like that it will come. 11 if I take common, 16t plus 11 already gone. 3 power 3k plus 1. Okay. Now you equate this. RHS. RHS I am writing 11 into P into T plus 3 power Q. Okay. Now T is T. 11 is 11. But what is P? P is 16. Write down. P is equal to 16. This 16 will be this one P. 3. Okay. What about Q? Q is 3k plus 1. Q is equal to 3k plus 1. Okay. See, in order to pair you have to write P comma Q. 16 comma 3k plus 1. 16 comma 3k plus 1. This will be your answer. Okay. Take this. We will go for 10th question. See question number 10. Eamcet 2019 question. If alpha and beta are the least positive integers, what are the least positive integers? You tell me now. 0 is not a positive integer. From 1 onwards it has to start. And integer. Integers means positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. That means see, least positive integers means naturally from 1 to 2, 3 only it has to come. 1, 2, 3 or at most maximum 4. Okay. N belongs to n. N cube plus alpha n is divisible by 3. N cube minus beta n is divisible by 6. Then alpha plus beta is equal to how much, like they are asking. You see, the given option is maximum is 4. Then you should think logically what will be the answer like. Why? Because see, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, or 1 plus 1 equal to 2. These combinations only will come. That means alpha and beta values may be 1 or 2 or 3. That's all. Not more than that. Okay. If more than that means total is going to cross this limit 4. Why? Because of options, there is no option for more than 4. That is one thing. Then you go for this one. Okay. Now n cube plus alpha n is divisible by 3. Okay, that means 1 plus alpha should be divisible by 3. Then alpha may be 2. Okay, like that you have to think. Okay, now go for second one. N cube minus beta n should be divisible by 6. Okay, is divisible by 6. That means what I can do? 1 minus beta. Why? Because you forget about n. 1 minus beta should be divisible by 6. See, beta is 1 minus beta is there. That means see, 0 also divisible by 6. Why? Because 6 into 0 is 0. 0 by 6 is 0. Divisible. That is why beta may be 1. Then what is alpha plus beta? Okay, one thing. See, if alpha is 2, what will happen? N cube to alpha, well cube to n. You see what will happen here? N cube plus 2n. This should be divisible by 3. You give 1. 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, 3. 3 is divisible by 3. You give 2. 2 cube, 8 plus 2 into 3, 6. Sorry, 2 into 2, 4. 12. 12 is divisible by 3. That means alpha 2 is correct. Go for here also. Here we have taken as 1 beta. Then that means n cube minus n. That's all. Beta is 1 means. Okay. Now it should be divisible by 6. Give 1. 1 minus 1. 0 divisible by 6. That's all. You give 2. 2 cube 8 minus 2 6 divisible by 6. That's all. That means both answers are correct. And addition of these two, alpha plus beta, gives 3. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now we will stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.